up, guys? My name is Danny. I don't know anything but Eric does. Oh. Wild man. After doing the first drive and first pulls, this is the video that we're going to take the car to the dyno. But before we do that, he noticed there has to be something wrong with the fuel pump because of some numbers and stuff. It doesn't add up. There's something not right. So
while we were driving, I noticed I had to really crank all the fuel tables to make it even drive normally, idle normally, which is not supposed to be. And after we did a pull, I noticed the injectors are maxing out at 100% duty cycle in 19.8 milliseconds, which should not be happening on 8 pounds of boost. It's also maxing out the flow on the MAF sensors because of other values. So I think something's leaking in the fuel pump where there is not enough fuel pressure going to the rail. So It's having to work the injectors overtime. So we're gonna pull the car out of the trailer, rip the fuel pump back out, and we're gonna go over it
and check it out.
See what's up.
Sweet.
Hey, Brittany.
Back out.
Not what's up, but this is the joyous part about this trailer.
Yeah, this is what happens when you build a car in 3 days, like you were saying.
Yeah, this is the things that happen when you build a car literally in 3 days.
We caught it here and we're able to kind of street tune it.
That's why I like testing stuff beforehand. Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, I don't know who did the fuel pump. I don't know who that was, but yeah, at least we're home. We can do it here. It's calm. We still got some daylight. Found the issue. He found the issue. Your boy went a little too ham.
And it actually, he put a hole in the surge part of the tank, so it was just leaking fuel pressure past it.
Wow. Thank God we found that. Good job, Eric. I'm proud of you, man. An hour later, fixed.
Hopefully.
Nice.
Tomorrow, I actually had to melt some plastic a little bit to make it a little bit stronger.
A little
I was worried
welder.
about possibly the fuel pressure cracking it, but I think we'll be good. I am ready to make some power.
Let's go.
So, expectations for today. I'm not chasing a number. I know I was saying 700. Dyno is just a tuning tool so that I don't have to do this crap on the street. It's a dyno jet. I'm used to tuning on a Mustang dyno and dyno packs. So I'm going to stop tuning when the data tells me to stop. I'm not chasing a number. So
yeah, we're not trying to push it a little too hard.
I'm not
just
trying
for a number.
to just push it to make 700 and break something. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, we're gonna be safe. We're gonna make some power and have fun. That's the main goal of all this. Oh my gosh, I just saw this new build for the channel. Well, we made it. Are you tired of mowing your lawn? Are you tired of overpaying for car insurance? Definitely. So let's talk about today's big sponsor for this whole series, Compare.com, and how you can win $100 without doing anything. $100 could literally get you test pipes or an exhaust for your car. That easy. So listen up. Compare.com is a free-to-use website that will be linked in the description. It is partnered with over hundreds of insurance companies to find the best policy for you. On average, they save each user $720. Like I said before, that gets you a free tow mate, an exhaust setup, intakes, and more money for your car. As a younger car enthusiast, I understand the trouble it is getting a sports car or any car at a young age and having to pay literally more than you pay for your car for insurance. Well, Compare.com makes sure that you're not overpaying, and two, it gives you the best policies all in one spot, so you don't have to go from company, calling. It's on one website. It is truly great. After you click the link in the description, you fill out your information, which only takes a couple minutes. You will be automatically entered to win a $100 eBay gift card giveaway. And comment on this video saying done and leave a like on this video. And 2, in a snap, you'll see side-by-side comparisons of real-time auto insurance quotes, their real prices, not estimates, alongside helpful information about the insurance company. With that being said, thank you so much for Compare.com for always supporting this channel and being a big sponsor of this build. And continue to enjoy today's video.
You want the car to
Dyno day, baby. Alright, so we just made it to Action Auto Care where we're gonna be dynoing the car. We are using a dyno jet. Here it is. And I mean, the series is road to 600 wheel horsepower, so I'll be happy with 600. Look who just made it on dyno. There was some Starbucks. Alex!
That's time I did with Starbucks.
That I'm nervous. Oh, you might need the keys, right?
I need the keys. I don't think I'll get very far.
Here it is.
I'm excited, but also so nervous. This is the first time Brittany's ever been on a dyno, ever. Wait, you've had your car on a dyno before, right? How does it feel? Do you get like excited or nervous?
I get excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
Alright, we just made it to Carlito's shop. Action Auto Care, Naples, Florida.
You gotta make power though. You gotta make power.
I'm nervous. Only made like 300 horsepower. I'm shooting for 300 horsepower. I made up my mind. R32 GTR. Oh, the interior's pretty mint. That's a big turbo.
That looks like a weird dip.
Brittany, I gotta have a talk with Brittany. Brittany, just push as much as you're comfortable. You got this. I believe in you. We've been waiting for this for years. I'm gonna be back here cheering you on. You got this, girl.
Don't you have that clip that day when you're like, I can't wait to get this car turbo?
I know. That's the first ever video. That was my goal. Let the show commence. We're gonna turn on this GoPro, get like or not GoPro, this camera, get the first couple pulls, and then this is gonna be my reaction. 'cause that oil was yesterday. We forgot when we were testing the fuel pump. We forgot to connect back the oil pump, so all the oil that was there wasn't pumping back into the motor, and it just spewed out of the exhaust. 433, first pull. Oh my god. Yeah. First pull, 433 horsepower. 400 club, welcome me. I'm in the 400 club now, let's go. Next up, 500 club. I think that was 500 pull. I think that was a 500 pull. Just clear area behind that. Hasn't said it yet.
No, because it didn't record that time. I didn't hit the green button hard enough.
Aw, man. That pull, the wastegate shot a freaking flame. I got it on my phone. I'll put the clip right here. Dude, that was so freaking cool. Actually, I gotta put this in the video. So Carlito's dad, he's a family friend. They have these R32 GTR here, and he was just asking me that he doesn't know what to do with it or how to fix it. This thing looks absolutely mint. We're gonna figure out if Alex can get it. But this thing looks absolutely, this is a dream car. I mean, it looks good, right? 117,000, wait, kilometers. Because this is right-hand drive. There you go. It doesn't have a clutch. He said it doesn't spark, they don't have anything.
Twin turbo RB.
Huh?
If I fix it, can I have it?
Dude, this thing is so cool. There you go, a cool little find on the dyno video there. Keep skipping clips. We just talked to Carlito, so it's a customer's car. He dropped it here a year ago, something with the wiring and whatnot. He looked into it, couldn't get it started or anything. It's been here for a year, so he doesn't even care about it. Let's check on the mess. Oh, we're good. We're like maybe like a little more than half tank. Yeah, this thing is dope. We're good. Updates. How's everything looking?
Everything's looking good besides my computer decided it didn't want to do an update during that, but now we're good.
We're good?
Yay for Windows.
How far are we into the tuning, or I don't know?
I'm just starting to turn boost up.
Just starting to
This is the next pull with a little bit more boost. Should make 9, maybe 10 pounds.
Right now we're still at 8 pounds?
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, dude. We know you play video games on that computer. We know you be playing, dude.
It can barely open my tuning program. What are you talking about?
He's not actually tuning the car. He's playing League of Legends right now. By the way, I may or may not have just messaged the owner for this R32. All right, gas station run. We gotta get a drink for Eric and a Bang cotton candy for Carlitos. Every time you go into Alex's car, yes. Comment below, Bleach or Naruto? What do you think? I have to go with Naruto. I've been watching that since I was like a little kid in Cuba. That's all. Eric, what's gonna be the low boost setting?
10 pounds, it'll make around 500 horsepower. When you buy our kit, that's what you're gonna get with our base kit. It's 500 horsepower on the 370s or G37s, which is a pretty good number.
All right, we got a misfire?
Yep. Gotta pull some plugs out.
All right.
That's one. I'll get a quick this
Huh? That's here. That's Z's here. All right, we're back. 522. 10 pounds of boost?
10 pounds of boost.
All right, so we brought you 5 guys. Now we're
Dying
gonna,
of hunger and heat right now.
you're gonna get some energy, and we're gonna, next numbers are gonna be 800.
Stop inflating the numbers like I was.
And we're gonna use the wing as a stand. Love to do it.
Dinner table,
That's what I'm saying, yeah. Who else eats on their wing on the dyno? Oh, okay. Eric does. Never mind. I thought I was special. I'm not.
Who else uses their wing as a camera stand though? That's
While eating and making 500 horsepower. Oh, we're in the 500 club. Thank you for welcoming me to the 500 club. I appreciate you guys. Maybe 600 club. I don't know at this point. But low boost, 10 pounds. Hello to the 500 club. That was 533. That pull was 540. 540 horse spurs. I'm trying to find my GoPro, I can't find it. There we go. 422 torque.
Yeah. 422. Holy shit.
And this was the 563 run. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so 563 and then 422 torque. She sounds amazing. Like, she's handling it great. Brittany. How much more do you think is gonna go up? So we're gonna do 14 pounds right now. There's gonna be a 14-pound boost run. And then after this one, we're gonna go to race gas. So with 13 pounds, 563. 14 pounds, what do you think?
590.
590? Okay. And then we're gonna go to race gas. So that we're definitely gonna be in the 600s maybe. All right, Alex. So we need to get into that truck. We need to find the charger for my tuner's laptop. Oh wait, the gate is also locked. I'm from Cuba. In Cuba, our game to have fun was literally who could jump the fence the quickest. They gotta hit a like and subscribe, bro. There you go. With 448 torque. That really nice grab. The torque is nice. Like, that's really torquey. 565 with 448 torque. That's the better run.
This is called VP Octanium, and this treats pump gas and makes it, well, not really race gas, but it increases your octane. It'll be 101. Yeah.
This, actually, I'm not gonna say anything. It should make really good power. I'm excited for this one. This is the run I've been really waiting for. Comment below right now. Are we in the 600 club or not? Let's see. Oh, race gas. We put a race gas, driving it around a little bit. It takes a little bit for the race gas to reach all the way to the fuel roll, so we gotta wait a little bit. That's poppity pop poke poke map.
Big flames?
Yeah, that was nice. Is it the red one? That was 562. 562 with 407. If that's the latest one. Yo, we've done 16 runs, right? We're gonna have anti-lag, rolling anti-lag?
Yeah. You will.
Is it wise to use it?
Yeah.
A lot of torque. 458 with 561. I have a feeling I'm not gonna sleep tonight. I have a concussion because of sound. I don't even know if that's possible, but I think I do. Oh my. Hey Alex, $5 if you touch the turbo, the hot side. I'm gonna give you the number in 3, 2, 1. Total of 21 dyno runs. We literally just did the best pull. 568, can't speak. 443 torque. We're gonna let it cool down. Eric's gonna do the very last run. Eric's the man. Honestly, I could just like go to sleep over there. I know that the car's fine. Trying his best, doing a great job so far. Him and Pat are the only people I trust with this car, with Brittany. So super happy he's the one tuning it and the one that helped me do everything. We stayed in the almost 600 club. I'm not upset, I'm not mad. That's really good. 568 to the wheels. Not bad. All right, tuning is done. For now, Eric is gonna explain to you guys later why we stopped and whatnot. Either way, I'm pretty happy and first drive.
The important part is it didn't blow up. That's all that really matters.
gosh. Bro.
Is Danny happy with that?
I'm about to cry. Oh my, bro, what? That third gear is ridiculous. What's up, guys? My name is Danny. I don't know anything but Eric does. Wow, dude.
That was spinning tire in second. That was yeah, see the smoke in the car from the tire spin.
First drive home. I'm a little nervous, so I'm trying to focus and make sure everything's right. Let me get my phone. Last time I drove Brittany, she had 300 horsepower. Now she has nearly 600. Whew. No, bro, no, what the f.
You're in a red light. You better get the f on it.
Okay, I will. Let's go! I'm sorry for the zooming. I'm as surprised as you are. I'm gonna attempt to record while doing this. I should probably take my time with it and not do it yet, but I'm gonna try it just for the video. I love how the first person I see with this, he's like, yo, that thing is crazy! What the f? Woo! This car's making me cry, man! Anything, when I'm under boost, I should be anything under 12. If it's above 12, I should let off. That's what I was told. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's awesome. I love it. I love it.
The more gears you do, the cheaper it's just
Right? It just keeps going.
So your first you start feeling okay, not bad.
And then it keeps going,
okay,
yeah.
This thing is actually going. If it didn't wheel spin,
So it might be cutting some power.
you're gonna need some good grip tires, man.
What did it sound like when, did it sound like a jet just flying by?
Pretty much a jet about to launch.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
It's like a freaking jet.
There's a lot more turbo content coming. You guys already know we're learning about this whole new turbo world. fun. Thank you to Alex for tagging along, helping me with the build always whenever I need help. Thank you to Eric, Limbo Tuning, just everybody. I'm out. Thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. Peace. Hasta luego.